Alright, what's going on, guys? So today I'm starting my Blazer to move my Jeep out so I can take it to the shop and then go pick up my other car, my daily. So yeah, let me get a cold start in for you guys. So basically the wire right here, let me get in there, the wire right here is broken and the rest of the wire is all the way in there. So that's broken. So I took another piece of wire, I don't know where it went, and then as you can see, the windows are rolled up now. So now I don't gotta worry about nothing. Now I just gotta worry about the misfire. Alright, so I gotta take this off, which is just some clips around the sides. And then I gotta take the hose clamps, or I don't have to take this one off. I can take this one off, and then there's one back there I gotta take off. Then this comes off the motor, and then I can reach the coil packs, and the spark plugs are down. And then for the replacement parts, I got Denza, and then for the replacement spark plugs, I got AC Delco. Okay, so this is a stupid idea because it's a breaker bar, but that's a 10mm that I need to get off. This is only 10 I have, and it only fits this. So hopefully I don't snap anything. So I was filming a time lapse on my phone, but the intake bolts into there, that broke off. Literally broke off. This is what it's supposed to look like. So that literally just broke off into there. So that's nice. And now, time to replace every single one of these coil packs and the spark plugs underneath those. So that's nice. Since I'm working in the driveway, it was getting too dark, so I just put the OG spark plug back in there with the spark plug socket on top. I don't know if I explained in other parts, but this piece snapped off. That's what it's supposed to look like. That snapped off, and the intake's inside the truck. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that, but I can't find the breaker bar I was using. I didn't want to use because I didn't want to break these bolts for the coil packs to mount to. So I found a little nut driver that's a 10mm that fits on all of them. I just don't know how I'm gonna get it back there. I don't even know how you get any tool back there to fit on those coil packs back there, but I'll figure it out. So I haven't updated you guys in a while. I couldn't get that last coil plug out, so every other coil got replaced and a spark plug besides that last one. And that's the 7th cylinder, and cylinder 3 had the misfire, so the firing order goes 1, 8, 4, 3. So this cylinder had a misfire, so because that's the firing orders on the block. But hopefully there's no more misfire. I got to put the plastic intake piece back on. Hold on. I got to put this back on, then this, put the filter in the box right there, and then we get to do a test fire.